Hey everyone, what's up? This is Gunjan, you're watching Mr. Phone. So Realme has finally launched its Snapdragon 888 powered flagship Realme GT 5G globally. Whether you talk about its design, its looks, its features, everything is super cool about this phone. So without any delay, let's take a quick look at its spec sheet and also find out when is it coming to India. But guys, before that, if you are new to our channel and you like watching our videos, then please hit the red subscribe button and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss on any of our latest videos. So guys, before we jump on its specs, let me tell you, in this Realme GT flagship, the GT here stands for the Grand Tourer sports car. Talking about its design, Realme GT comes in two models. The one comes with the glass covered design, which has the 3D light reflecting pattern on its back, which comes in two colors, and the other one comes in the vegan leather design, which looks absolutely cool. And when we talk about its display, the Realme GT features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz of high refresh rate and 360Hz of touch sampling rate. And when we talk about its performance, the Realme GT comes with the powerful Snapdragon 888 processor, which is paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Talking about its operating system, Realme GT runs on Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11, but on the other hand, this phone is also eligible for Android 12 beta version. And coming on to cameras, Realme GT features an amazing triple rear camera setup which features 64 megapixels of primary camera with Sony IMX 682 sensor. Also with this you get 8 megapixels of ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixels of macro shooter. And when we talk about the selfies and the video chats, for that you get a 16 megapixel of selfie snapper. Apart from this, some of the other notable features of the phone includes dual mode 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and with this you also get Dolby Atmos dual stereo speakers and high-res audio. And guys, as now in today's times, many of the brands are skipping the 3.5mm audio jack in their flagship phones, especially here Realme has surprised us by providing us the 3.5mm audio jack in Realme GT 5G. Talking about some other sensors, the Realme GT offers you in-display fingerprint sensor and the face unlock, of course. When we talk about its RAM and storage variants, the phone comes in two variants basically, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, 12GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage. The phone packs 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts of super dart charge support. On the other hand, the company claims that this phone gets charged from 0 to 100 in just 35 minutes. But to actually get that tested, we have to wait for the phone's launch. And guys, when we talk about some of the other exclusive features of the phone, let me tell you that Realme GT offers you a stainless steel VC cooling system that can actually sort out phone's heating issues. And not just this guys, let me tell you that this phone gives you a very interesting GT mode which can give you an ultimate gaming experience. So guys, this was all about Realme GT specifications. Let's talk about its pricing. The regular price of Realme GT's 5G 8GB RAM plus 128GB variant is 449 euros, which roughly means 39,900 in Indian price. And the regular price of 12GB plus 256GB variant is 599 euros, which means 53,200 in Indian currency. So guys, these were the aggressive pricing of global variant of Realme GT 5G. Let's see when this phone gets launched in India, what kind of price this brand offers. So guys, if you ask me that when this phone is coming to India, let me tell you that the leaks are suggesting it very strongly that Realme GT 5G is likely to be launched in India in the month of July. So guys, this was all about Realme GT 5G. What are your thoughts on this phone? Let me know in the comment box. Also guys, if you liked today's video, then don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and family. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, you keep watching Mr. Phone and stay safe.